We are pleased to show you the 2022 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, tires, rear all-season, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, tires, front all-season, Bluetooth, smart device integration, satellite radio. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.